government has Chief Minister has constituted a team of ministers who has to visit up to the district level in the entire state. I think that day I've already told you, James Sama Minister, he is supposed to visit all the Garo Hills district, and then myself, I'm supposed to visit all the district here in East Khas Hills, West Khas Hills, Southwest Khas Hills, and Riboy district. And then Mr. Rumbui, Mr. Lakman Rumbui, he's supposed to visit two districts. One is West Jaintia district and number 2 is East Jaintia district. I would like to tell you that the visit to each and every district is on, and today I came back from Nongstoy, and Mr. Rumbui, he already completed his visit to both the district. And the purpose of our visit is to encourage our officers in the district level, the district administration, and then also to interact with the Sinjuk National, with the NGOs, and then with all the concerned of all the respective districts. And the response was so good, and I am happy to inform to all of you that every village headman, they take this, this operation as a challenge, and they were the one who take the responsibility to make sure that people keep staying at home or lock down themselves spontaneously. Okay, so this is the message which I would like to to come through all of you, that from the government side we are so happy, we are so grateful to each and every village administration who cooperate with the government, whatever advisory notes issued or whatever regulation imposed, and they did it sincerely. Okay, so that is one part. And number 2, the second part is, before meeting you, we had a detailed meeting about the shortage of essential commodities like rice, because what happened was these days, I think people, they were so panicking, rushing to Shillong and then collecting or lifting the essential commodities and go back to their respective districts. So we have reviewed today, and immediately, very soon, one mechanism will be in place, because from the government side we already decided that if need be, government will step in procuring of rice directly from the FCI. Even the FCI has agreed that, but of course that situation has not arisen. That situation has not come that the state government should immediately procure the rice, because right now the meeting was also convened by Chief Secretary and the Secretary of Food and Civil Supply with all the concerned stockists, all the concerned mill owners, where they still assured, even today, right? Even today they assured that the stock will be okay. The stock will be okay, and don't worry, stock is okay, and the supply will take place to each and every village in the entire state of Meghalaya. Okay? In the entire state of Meghalaya. So right now, I would like to tell you and to request the the citizens of the state, please don't be panicky. What happened was, during the distribution, during lifting, the problem was those people, because I'm talking about the open market. So what happened was, when, suppose I'm the main trader, so when I have a deal with the wholesaler or with the stockist, meaning I know him well, maybe for 5 years, 6 years, when I'm in this line of business. So even the wholesaler or the stockist, they tend to give more. They tend to give more maybe to me. So that happened because this is the open market. But what I'm trying to say now is we already put regulation in place where we should not do that. Let everybody get their share, take back to their respective district, take back to the respective village, and then make a supply to the villagers respectively. Okay, so now regulation